That didn't work. There we go. So I'm doing all the I'm doing all this to for just to try and get video. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. What the Whoa. Just go. Uh-huh. Ball. Points left. You really want to see me have sacks on stream, don't you? Where's that other one hiding? Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. Shit. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting. I'm shaking up my bottle. We need to hold hands. Okay. FNZ art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly recommend if Yes. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now. So vets, I learned the hard way yesterday, and this is another good reason. Back up your shit and use Git. Hey, back up your shit. Use Git. See the walk loop. Make sure. Taking a step. Ooh, watch me strut. Ooh, here I'm a bear. Ooh, got a big butt. Ooh, my name's Sooty. Ooh. Time for me to get some sleep. I think that's speed. Fuck it. Say whatever. Unedited first draft. Nobody's gonna care. And that's how I feel. This is your nightmare. ID10T. Yes. Oh wait, oh wait. Yes. I don't want anybody hearing you saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. I was playing with myself with my big horn on stream, and nobody wanted to watch me play with myself with my big horn on stream. I can't imagine why. No. You gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. Watch. Watch him. Yeah. You know, fire. For nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody listening using that clip of me saying it on repeat. Oh, yep. How about that? 1 second. Mm-mm. There, fix it. I guess. How's everybody doing today? It is my first weeknight back in a long time, but y'all forgot about me. Maybe. Possibly. Potentially. Alright, so here's what I'm doing tonight. We're gonna keep working on our presentation. Yes, it is a Godot platformer, or a PowerPoint presentation in the form of a Godot platformer. That's right. Crazy? Crazy like a fox. Or something like that. So a couple things need to happen here. For one, we need to get, well, this thing loaded up. Now, I did some stuff last night when I couldn't sleep. And we took the slides, changed them from a very, very flat thing to now we got a whole little thingy happening. Go up, down, ooh, down, wah, 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 do. Catch all that? Great. Um, so now that it's like that, we need to create levels, and there's something that needs to happen because I want him to the character not just go up and down on platforms, but to be able to climb ladders. And so, looking at the character here, well, basically what we have to do is turn him around and do a little butt wiggle and foot thingies. So it looks like he's climbing up. At least that's what I think. So here we go. Yeah, let's not do that. Now wait a minute. Help from sprite. There. That narrows it down. Just clear that. Um, good enough. There we go. Okay, so let's add in a new layer. New layer. This layer is basically going to be tracing a lot of this. Kinda, I think, maybe. Go. Make it onion skin almost. Shit. Shit. The hell? Oh, shit. That's what I needed to do. Whoopsie. Here, then let's do this. Fuck. Well, I'm just screwing this all up, aren't I? Seems about standard for me. Now, since we're facing the back here, actually, I think that I want to take it in just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, where? There. There we go. That worked. There we go. A little bit less of that. Actually, I think maybe a little more of that. There we are. Now we need something, a little bit something here to just delimit the shoes. 3, 4, 5. There we go. This is still indicating that the sun is coming from over here. Hey, TD, what's up? How have you been, friend? Good, good, good. Glad to hear it. I'm doing all right. I'm still getting settled into my new job. Still trying to figure out everything that's going on. Getting into the swing of traveling again. But other than that, things are pretty okay. God damn it. No, no, oh no. What did I just do there? No. Things have been a little bit rough since I got back from Barcelona, but not complaining. It was a damn good trip. Would do it again. Now this part should be easy. And then I do that. All right, let's back it up and maybe let's do a line by line here. Okay, we're gonna start here. Actually, let's start with a line of neck here. I have no idea if this is going to turn out anything like what I want it to at all. Nope, not there, not there. Here we go. I just do the thing that I undid. I think I did. Okay. So then let's take you there. No, no, you there. Maybe, no, no, oh, okay. All right, got that. Now, wait a tick here. Okay, let's go to frame 2. Unselect anything. Frame. Look, that's easier. I think the arms, though, need to have a little bit. Little bit more to them. Hey, Robin! What is up? Okay. Copy that. That's right. And there, that's a climbing. Kinda. Kinda. There we go. That looks like climbing, doesn't it? I am doing okay. I'm back at it, weeknights. Um, First weeknight since I left for Barcelona. Finally feeling back up to it. I did some streaming over the weekend. I've been second guessing everything I'm doing here lately. All right, there we go. What? Why did it do that? Okay, game assets. On here, I think I've got it under Godot present. Assets. Robin, that's great. That is really awesome. That you had a breakthrough. Not that you've been having a pretty bad time. I believe me, I know. I really, really like my new job where I'm at now. Um, for the past couple days have been a little bit. I'm not feeling great. Like nothing that they're doing. It's more like what am I doing? All right, so we put in that sprite sheet here. There we go. There we go. So on the presenter here, we need to add in a new. We actually use it. No, we're not using the animation tree. So let's go into animation. Oh boy. I wonder if I screwed myself up. Or yeah, I screwed myself over here. Let's see if maybe let's go back here. Um okay. Okay, okay. 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 I got it. Okay. So let's take this and then let's export this as a sprite sheet. We're exporting it to here, buddy. Where is it going, buddy? Do 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 do. Yeah, replace it. Ah, take that. Fuck off. Ah, damn it. There we go. Hey. There we go. There we go. How fast should it move while we are climbing? I'll say about 10 FPS. There we go. Look at that butt wiggle. Look at that little butt wiggle. Look at that. Well, Robin, no. 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 I'm not going to worry about that just now. No, that's probably the correct answer, but no, I'm not going to do it. Yes, later. TM, copyright. I mean, honestly, just putting this into the presentation is going to be a huge thing. I just need to do a couple tweaks, and I think I'm going to continue to use the Kenny assets and maybe just keep a consistent thing, or maybe I'll look to see if maybe I can find other assets and potentially pixelize them to make it look like what I'm trying to do here. All right, let's go back over to this and let's make okay, now what was this? This one. We're gonna select the her. There we go. Hey, okay, cool. Just a little more depth to the little jerk. Oh, nice drop. But if it was 8008, it would spell boob. Boob. Oh boy. All right, so now we have that. Let's save.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, Munglo. Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in, everybody. How are you, Munglo? How was your stream?
Give this. Oh yeah, this is actually kind of cool.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That's what I said. What is that? That almost looks like the Game of Life. Awesome.
They are trying their best to build grassland, and the fish just goes.
Very cool. How did your day? How'd your game turn out? No, there are a lot of entries, lots and lots and lots of entries. I think. I don't know. Maybe I don't know that. I don't know. Anyway, if you want to share anything, please. To if you want to share anything out to all my viewer watching, good. I'm glad you're happy with how it turned out. That's really what matters. They're all about learning. It's about doing something, challenging yourself in whatever way. Ooh, we got an Imgur. Oh, that's right. Take a look. Take a look. Oh, that looks so good. So cool. So, Raiders coming in. If you don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer by day. When I stream, I'm trying to learn game dev, and I'm trying to do things that shouldn't be done with a game engine. Right now, current project is platformer presentation. If you see, all of these rectangles are actually PowerPoint slides. And I have given a talk a couple times with them all being in a flat line, which is boring. You know, nobody wants to see a PowerPoint presentation where all the slides are in a flat line. No. When people see PowerPoint or any slide deck, they want the levels to go up and down, right? So I'm redoing it. I will check that out in a little bit here. Actually, nice. Again, I never stopped. What a nice dynamic grid ECS crowd control fishing simulator, RTS strategy, tower defense, ground erosion, ocean simulator, city builder game that it is. Somebody gets it. Somebody gets it. It sounds like, you know, if I were to wager a guess, it would be that you made it difficult. Oh, the bot always lands somehow. Somehow. I don't get it. But the bot does. All right. All right. So we got our little booty shake here. Nah, 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 nah. Actually, it's not just a booty shake. He's just... He's at a rave. He's not climbing a ladder. He's getting down. Waiting for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What do I have these? I have I have these at 4 FPS. Munglo. So you know how I did my PowerPoint presentation before? My actually, what's a better name? A Godot point? No, because I call it a Godot overlay. What should we call this? A Godot point? Godot point? I don't know. My platformer presentation before, it was flat. It was just flat. So now I want to make it a little bit power dot. Powado. Powado. I like that. But that sounds like that sounds like a burning calories thing. It sounds like a brand of bread that's supposed to burn more calories than what it takes or than what it gives you, and also has no carbs and is gluten free. That's right, powado. You'll be shitting your brains out for weeks. Powado. All right, so let's take a look at some of the if there are any additional 2D new Kenny assets that we could take a look at. I like Kenny's assets, but they get a little bit I don't know, a little limiting sometimes if that's all you use. But I'm not good enough to make my own. I mean, this like the food expansion and those are cool. Those are cool. They're kind of cartoony. And I realize I'm saying this as making like a pixel thingy, but not all pixel thingies are cartoony. Right? I mean, to a point they are, but like Contra looks it looks good. It doesn't look like it's going to all of a sudden break out into song. Right? I mean, well, yeah, when I look at I like him. Don't get I'm not disparaging. I think they're great. I think these things are amazing. But I mean, especially when you put eyes on blocks or things like that, all these look like that scene in Roger Rabbit when they go into Toontown and everything is just smile, father, smile. Let's see. See if there's anything worth using here. like this, like this. This is actually similar to what I was starting to try and do, but I don't think there's any way that I could complete it in time to build out the levels here. So 2D. Godot and friends. Yes. But I would say, well, that depends on if that's just, cutscene. No, okay. Because I think it's Adam C. Eunice. I was watching some of his videos, and like at some point it gets to, they start saying, well, if you're making it so high density and so many pixels and trying to make it so realistic, is it really even pixel art anymore? So you need to reduce the number of, or reduce your canvas is I guess what I'm kind of trying to get at. Da-da-doo. Tile pixel. Let's. Go big. 144 items per page. Hey, welcome in. Yeah, it has been. Sakura Idol on. How you been? I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. Things are turning out in a pretty good way. I have a decent job now that I enjoy so far. I'm traveling again for work, so I'm getting to do stuff in the community. Guessing this is Kenny's. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it right when I clicked on it. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I stream when I can. When I'm not, I don't want to burn myself out. Ooh, I like this one too. Victory beard. What? You mean the fact that I got it trimmed? I keep it clean. I keep it clean. All right. Gnarled tree. Go to the next one. On to the next one. And on to the next one. What the hell is that? Sakura, awesome. Awesome. What are you studying? Robin, thank you for the lurk. Thank you for hanging out. Well, software development, yeah, but I mean that encompasses a lot. I mean, what I'm doing right now is software development. What what I do in on my day job. Well, like what languages are you working in? Let's see, what do we got here? Okay, cool, cool, cool. Looks like quite a bit of stuff. Looks like it might be getting into some web dev with the JavaScript. Right on. All right, let's take a look at this one. Okay, cool, 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 cool. I like those. Brown and gray. Yeah, I'm glad to inspire somebody. I wish I could inspire myself, but I'm glad that that's kind of my goal with this. Is I wanna help people feel that uh they can learn development. They can learn how to do things. And the best way is to just get out and do it. Well, I'm glad that I helped out. I am a huge proponent of sharing now. Ooh, what's this? Sharing knowledge. Oh, that's too low res for what I'm trying to do. Okay, maybe just let's maybe we can we bend it? Can we bend it a little bit? Can we bend it just a little? Like okay, this is public domain, right on. Set up for use with Game Maker. But it can still be used. We're probably just gonna go with Kenny. Probably just gonna go with Kenny stuff. It's gonna be easier that way. So let's just plan on that. So this project, Sakura, is my wait. This speaking of Contra, um bum 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 bum. Uh so this project is my PowerPoint presentation in the form of a platformer game, or Powado. Powado? Powgado. Gower. I haven't come up with a clever name for it yet. But um in my world here, every one of these rectangles is a slide from a presentation that I've given, a talk that I've given, or that I'm going to give on Sunday. I've given it before, and it was very, very flat. And I decided that I want to make things a little bit different. We're going to have more progression. We're going to have like ladders up and down, things like that, climbing through, blah, 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 until we get to the end. So now I'm just probably going to end up using the Kenny assets because they're here. They're ready to go. I just need to put some time into putting them in there. But yeah, so far tonight, what I've done is added an animation to make the little booty shake as I have him climb up a ladder. And we're just looking for tiles to use to pull the room together. All right, so as I'm coming up, if you aren't a sub yet, and if you have a Amazon Prime subscription, now would be a perfect time to use that because you get a free one. Or you could purchase a sub and play chat guest games during the ad break. If not, please stick around, support the ads. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. I will be back in 3 minutes. Welcome back. Welcome in. Second favorite. Good to see ya. How we doing tonight? Second favorite. Thank you for the resub. It means a lot to me. It keeps me going. Keeps me feeling. It keeps me feeling. Keeps my fingers from falling off. That's what subs do. Welcome in, Ryan. Good to see you. Welcome in. Ah. Red alert Erie's. Yeah. I don't know why it's not. Yeah, back off. Ryan made a color guessing game. Awesome. Awesome. Very, very cool. Welcome in, Ahmed Nasser. Sorry. I'm doing all right. Doing all right. We're looking for some new assets to play around with. To change things up. I am kind of drawn to. I didn't tweak anything. I'm not sure if Lynch made any updates or not to it. I should probably check with him. But hey, hey. We had the meta figured out here. Why'd you go and change it on me? Yep, Ryan, you've been around for a while here. Ooh. Looks kind of cool. Ahmed, okay. I can do that. Pixel Dark Forest. It would be kind of cool to update this to make it like spooky, just a little spooky. Arrow, I'm trying to do what I can to get away from using only Kenny assets. So I'm just looking at tile sets. Also, welcome in Arrow. It is so good to see you. I mean,
Galdammit, JD, you're awesome. You rock, and how are you, bro?
Game Dev Market. So I got it from Reddit post on Godot, r/Godot, which had, obviously itch.io, open game art. I didn't look at dev assets yet, but Game Dev Market, I think I've looked at before. Also, Tommy L. Bro, welcome in. Ahmed, I did not see the Nobel Prize. The fucking machine learning. I mean, I know that you would do pixel art in Blender just to be difficult, Arrow, because that's just how you be. But that's not how we all do it. Hey, Big Zach, welcome in.
JD, I'm very grateful for your presence as you are a great inspiration for myself and I'm sure of many others too. I really hope to see you streaming more, but I appreciate your efforts nevertheless. D.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Sakura. I appreciate that. I appreciate you being here. Blender is the answer to everything. You know what? That's gonna be my goal now. I'm just gonna make a game engine in Blender if nobody's done it yet. That's how we're gonna do it. That's it. Ooh, look at this. This is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. This is really cool. Oh no. I don't want to do it. Well, you see, I said if nobody's done it yet, apparently somebody's already done it, so I don't need to do it. Thank you for saving me the work. All right, so what? Boo. Deprecation sucks. BGE. Why? Whoa, wow. Let's take a look at this. Jesus. Jesus, that is insane. Okay, so I saw a cemetery looking one. One of these pages. Where? Not the dark forest. No, 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 no. Is it? Okay, let's see if it's not. Where is it? Not the underground passage. Okay, let's keep going here. I know I saw one. That's not the one, but we might come back to that. I'm thinking just because it's getting close to well, we're in spoopy season. Putting that kind of feel to it would be kind of fun. Kind of fun. Kind of fun. Speaking of game stuff. Oh boy. A playlist. Wow. Wow. I personally do not want to make one because wow. Ooh, this looks nice and creepy. So where the Sorry, oh, here we are. Here we are. Born to be kings. We are the princes of the universe. Holy shit, I have an account. Just in case. Oh, Arrow, the filter. So I'm using a couple things here. Um, the main part of it is Finite Singularity's composite blur. And I really like talking about it because it is an awesome thing. It's free. It's a plugin you can get on through OBS. I can't easily do that, but where is my cam link? There we go. So this is my default camera here. Actually, no, it's not even on that one. It's on my Windows. Scene.
Do it! Just do it!
Oh, thank you for the stretch. Oh, Arrow, all of my scenes are based on nested. So I've got the composite blur here. I guess I have it on this. Did I have it on this? There we go. Yeah, blur on, blur off. I've got this filter pixelate. Like that. And so blur algorithm pixelate, it pixelates in triangle. For some reason it's not showing that. And then I have using blur on and blur off. It's using the move transition. Stop. What just happened there? Move transition plugin by Exceldro. So you can set it. It starts. It takes 300 milliseconds, and it transitions the pixel size from 0 to 5200. And then when you turn it off, pixel size down to 1, and then turns off the thing. So when all said and done, composite blur can do so much. Finite is a freaking machine. Someday when I grow up, I want to be Finite Singularity. It's a tall order, but dude knows his shit. Oh, Finite has so much shit that you can do with his stuff. If you haven't caught his stream before,
and then maybe we actually do want it to go back to energy field because that's what we were using before. Furthermore, we can collect.
Look at that. Just using some of the...
We can click on our filters for that source and change the filters right.
The blur filter and shit. Just like that.
Furthermore.
Okay, so I don't like that hand-painted one.
We can click on this and see all scenes that that particular source is in, and it's actually used
Just another project. You don't got much going on, do you?
twice.
You're not really working on
in a
anything.
super duper long scene name.
Hi, Tommy.
We can toggle them
Take
off
care.
and
Look forward to
on.
seeing you back. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. But not for this project. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, the hardest part about game dev in general is selecting artwork if you're not an artist. For anything. Well, I said if you're not an artist. I'm not artist. I have a very, very hard time making any kind of art without direct inspiration. Just, well, maybe. Urgh. PNG, Creative, Photoshop, cool, 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 cool. What is pure ref? Huh. No, I don't have pure ref. I'm not an artist. I'm not an artist. I'm a programmer. I sit around all day going ding, ding. Okay, these can be fun. These might just work. Oh, these are not bad. Not bad at all. Arrow, that's awesome. I might pull that in. Ooh. Okay, let's add. Add that. We're going to add all this shit to the... You know what I'd really like to see? And this is just me bitching for the sake of bitching, is a way to I imagine that this, when I download the PNG here, this one, the layout of it, it's probably going to be pretty damn close to the layout for this one. So having and it might exist, I might just be dumb and not know it, but having something reusable so that I can take the tile map bits and just copy everything the way that they are and just put them on top of another one. I think that would make life a lot easier, but it might already exist. Keep the same settings and just, yeah, basically. Here, like, like knowing that my not that tile map. That all the bits for it are all, the same. I'm gonna forget how I did this. There, okay, it's under terrains. Yeah, like knowing that, okay, this pattern, this, middle, blah, 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 is the same pattern that could be used on any of these 4x4s. Yeah. No, the peering bits. That's the term that I'm wanting, right? Peering bit. Why is that coming to my head? Is that the right word? It's fun to say if it's not. What do you think? Is it peering bits? Yeah. Let's see what happens when I check out here. Order will be available momentarily on your orders page. Do not make any charts or Okay, let's back. Oh, I like this. Oh. Not that I don't want to pay, it's that I'm broke. I'd like to pay. I'd definitely like to pay. Come on. Stop it. Accept your damn cookies. God. I thought it was bad here. When I went in Europe, I had to do all of them all over. And every time I did it on my phone, it was like this much of the screen that's this big is just like, do you accept all these cookies? Cookie. Yes. God damn it. No, why would I want to edit that using? After all this, I'm just going to go back to Kenny. Mr. Hyde, that is a great question. I'm going to have to say it was probably the Super Soaker 50. The Super Soaker 50 was kind of the OG when it came to water pistols. Or pressurized water guns. Shooting over 50 feet was a bold statement, but what you could get your neighbor if you lived in a small enough or had a small enough backyard. Next question. Quaternius is more 3D. Dude, this is my presentation. That's a presentation. Here's my little booty shaking. Happy dancing. Because I don't want 3D. Because I don't want to have to redo the entire thing because everything is in 2D and I don't want to. Damn it. Are you gonna you're gonna talk that would look really, really fucking cool. But using viewports sucks when trying to get to line shit up. Hey RCB, what is up? Welcome in. It is better. It's better, but as it sits now, what I could do Wait, I'm gonna have to clear out most of this, but I have an entire. Oh, backgrounds can't change. Backgrounds will not change. Because backgrounds are all PNG files that I exported from Google Slides. So the backgrounds are the slides themselves. The most I can do with that are like shaders. But since I don't have a PC laptop that is powerful enough to run well anything currently, I have to make sure that it runs on a Mac, which is one of the reasons I'm doing compatibility. I ran into some problems before where my I had a shader making the water do a little wiggle, and it didn't work on a Mac. So, nope. All right, let's just use what we got here. Go to terrains. Because I did put a lot of work into getting these. Oh, I do have ladder. Do I? Yes, I do. All right, let's see. Is there? I know there is a way. To get this slightly better lined up with. With the thingies here, and I think I could probably do that. By that, nope. Transform. Okay, these should line up. .92. Little by little here. I want to. That's pretty damn close. Yeah, we're gonna put it at that. And say howdy. Perfect. Good enough for me, right? let's take the presenter. Let's move you over. Just, God damn it, no. Move you over just a little bit here. All right. What's up? No. Not that it's that difficult to just do that, but at the same time, no. Okay, so we got this, and then all of these in slide 2. Need to move up. Let's put a couple. Where's just a solid brick? Solid brick. Okay, tile set. Where was I here? Select. Physics. We got some physics. That is so much better. So much better, right? And okay. All right, so there we are. God damn it. I don't remember it being down there. Eh. But I do want it to pop up here so that it lifts me up. So we need to do some like cone or something I think I had before, right? Where the hell is the safety cones? Okay, I think I did it that way. That look about right. God, I'm not muted again, am I? No, I don't think so. Okay, good. All right, so let's then we need a reason to be up here. Oh, nope, not. And something to let's get rid of that. Okay. Um No, that's good enough. The thing about this is that almost nobody's seen anything like this before. So that's the big selling point here is the newness. The fact that I'm doing a PowerPoint presentation in the form of a platformer game. Still mad for it? I love it. Oh, here's some of the stuff I was looking for. Cool. I have gotten nothing but positive feedback on it. and I've been trying to think of ways that I can make it even easier to make. So I actually had the idea, the mad idea, to try and figure out if there's a way to make this a thing. But what I came up with is that the Godot engine, just using the engine itself, is probably the best way to do this. Yes, I need to change it out so that instead of pulling in backgrounds as PNG files, you use a like a theme and just put labels, have different templates of slides. But let's Obsidian. Actually, we put some thought into this, just a little bit. Like, it would need a UI that would look exactly like the Godot UI, a way to put in tile maps so that you can have things jump around, a way to place a sprite, a way to create the slides, create animations, add notes, basically everything that we're already doing. Let's open this bad boy up. What do we got here? Well, that's potentially, yeah. The thing that I'd be worried about or concerned about is that each one of these rooms would have to have a different background. Right, right. Okay, where we got here? We're gonna get lifted by my hat. We're gonna keep with the industrial theme here. And I know that over here, seemed like that it's mostly a map editor. You can use how you want. Yeah, I might check it out. I mean, I'm giving this talk on Sunday, so I don't want to redo too many things. All right, so let's look at this layer. Physics. Okay, now this is where I'm curious. I have a physics layer here. Would it be a navigation layer instead? I don't think so. All right, I've never used, or would it be a custom data layer? And here's what I want to do. Climbing ladders. I want to basically, if character is in front of the ladder here, then there be like ordinarily I'd see it as an area 2D. And then, if in the area 2D on the ladder, then it switches to the climb animation if moving. Otherwise, pause. So go back to 2D. How do I do that? Okay. How old is this? 3 years ago. Go away. Here we go. This looks like a valid question here. Okay. Okay, ads are starting up. I'm going to take a break. I'll be back in 3 minutes. If you haven't subbed, feel free. Feel free. Play chat guess games during the break. If not, I hope you stick around and support me with the ads. I appreciate you either way. Hey, Mason. Douglas, I was muted here too because I am an idiot. God damn it. Promised myself I wouldn't do this. I I suck at streaming. MDiv. MDiv's official. Welcome in. First time chat. Good to see you. I don't know. I suppose it could go either way, but I like the idea of being able to just draw ladders wherever the hell I want for these purposes. And this seems to be working actually. This just seems fucking messy though. God, how long was I talking? Yeah, I'm in for, well, ladder could be a scene in a tile, ladder could be, ooh. But I think that I like the way that I'm doing it. I know it could be a scene in a tile, but the ladders, the way that I want to be able to make them is I like the idea of saying, okay, I want maybe one ladder to be that big, one ladder to be that big. You know, all the things. Now, I don't know if that's something that you could do with it as a scene. Would that be making each of these tiles a scene upon themselves? I don't really see how that yeah, it just seems like that would be overkill to have an entire scene that's just this little bit just to say, hey, we're throwing an Area 2D. When instead I could just put this little check that says, okay, well, we're in front of a ladder. I was muted for 20 minutes. Hey, Fishman, the blue one. What's up? Nope, nope, it's me. I'm an idiot. Nice, 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 nice. All right, so let's just say go back to the script here. If tile data hold on one second here. Okay. Tile equals var. Oh, MDivs, it could be a lot more structured. Right now, I'm just kind of rushing through to figure it out. Oh, well, bad. Don't do this. Don't do this. And this isn't something that anybody else is ever going to use. Okay, hey, Fallen Learns, what is up? If input is action, nope, is action pressed. Oh, did I not do an up? I thought I did an up. I did do an up. Fallen, you got this. You got this. If there's anything you want to go over beforehand, I'm sorry. I'm somebody's messaging me. I'm traveling to Seattle on Thursday, so uh, some things happening that I kind of gotta pay attention to. So, Fallen, the things with front end, um, with Drupal and front end is that it could go multiple ways, but one of the big things with Drupal 8 and above is that a decoupling of the front end. So you don't necessarily have to know PHP to be able to work in a Drupal front end. The main engine now is Twig, which to me felt a lot like Handlebars or Mustache or any of those JavaScript front end things, templating engines. I mean, it feels very, very much like a lot of other front end stuff. And then with it being like that, then it's kind of however you want to style it. In a fully decoupled, you don't even need to know Drupal. All you need to know is what the format of the data is that they're sending you, which is either going to be a GraphQL or JSON API, and then just be able to style and put that shit into a React or Vue or Angular or whatever the hell you're using. Um, I think I did briefly a quick like React front end thing where you really don't need to know a whole lot of Drupal for the back. But I will say they're a good company. I'm not gonna put out anything here. I am not using NVIDIA Broadcast. I have a green screen. Although I did use NVIDIA Broadcast at one point, and it got really weird. Let me see if I could. And what I mean by that, hold on. That's not the right one. Because there's one one setting that is creepy as all hell. I'm going to make you all very, very uncomfortable right now. Camera. Yep, it's the eye tracking. The eye contact. So we're just gonna keep this up. I'm just gonna keep looking at this. Is action just pressed? And are you feeling weird yet? Let's see, and letter tile. Velocity y equals. What do we have for that? Are you all getting weirded out by me staring into your soul? Yeah, let's just say 10. All right, let's see now if pretty amazing. Nope, wrong thing. Pretty amazing how I can type and look right at the camera at the same time, isn't it? Isn't it? I'm looking at you. I'm looking through your soul. Oh. All right, so it's starting to do it. It's starting to do that. Um that is on floor. Oh, cool. Are both the interviews at the same place or? All right, I can't keep doing this. This is Oh, right on. Right on. Three. I think it's three. All right. Yeah. Let's turn that off now, all the way. So, Fallen, there's also an option for Gitpod. Using a Gitpod so you don't have to install anything. I've had some interviews where they had a Gitpod repo set up for me. I don't know. Hopefully it's not like a whiteboard interview or anything. Most places that I've interviewed haven't been that kind of whiteboard interview thing. And believe me, I did a lot of interviews. Or like a coding challenge. I had a couple of coding challenges where they didn't really care what I used. I had the one that was a Gitpod type thing. Uh, a couple that were just like, here's instructions, follow them, and get it back to us when you can. Okay, now let's try this again. Now that it's slow, but he going. Ooh, do I have jump here? All right. Dibba-dibba-dibba-dibba-doo. How, what's a better? I mean, there's a get gravity. Damn it, Erg. Fallen. I have more Drupal t-shirts than anything else. I I I live on Drupal t-shirts. It's actually a problem. I'm not pressing that button. Current speed, current speed. Velocity 100. Save. Max Dev, what's up? Whee! That is me in a game. Oh, look at that. That's a much better. Uh-oh. Oh, 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 oh. Down and letter tile. And that is on floor. Oh, that's just going to make me go up. Oh, 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 oh. Next up, we already got that. That's just not. There was some Godot drama. There was definitely some Godot drama. Nothing that I really want to get into. Somebody made a comment. Somebody tweeted something that offended some people, and there was some backlash. I don't know enough about it to get into it. I'm not educated enough on the subject, so I don't want to, say anything. You know what I am educated on? This little guy.
Help me! Help me!
No, no, no. You're mine forever.
Help me! Help me!
Wolfware Dev, welcome in. Let's see. Oh, look at that. You can't see it. You can't even, what the? I'll tell you, it says one of, or only 3,868 made. No, no, no. E. Letter tile not on floor. Equals 0. Oh boy. See? I had the animation all ready to go. Oh, okay. I gotta change something here in the jump. I'll just have to fix that. But Max Dev, I made that animation tonight. In fact, I've still got my booty open here. See? Boop 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 boop. Boop 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 boop. If velocity X, no. Oh no, that's Ace Bright. Although if you want to get really, really, you know, really pedantic about it, Arrow, that's exactly what I was gonna get to. Yeah. Pixelorama is good, but I there are issues that they're me issues. They're not issues with the project itself. I personally don't like. Oh shit! How did I do this? I don't like these having these two things. The icons for the buttons, right button, left button. Arrow, this is in Windows. Max, are you in Spain? Ah, Argentina. I was just in Barcelona a couple weeks ago, which is, I think that Barcelona and the whole region is kind of strange. The region around it with the the multiple languages and having signs. Most of the signs that I saw were in English, Spanish, and Catalan. Um, so like everything would say "por favor," please, "si su plau." Um, it, actually, it would be "si su plau," "por favor," please, in that order. Um, what do I have here? If jump isn't in velocity y is greater than 0, that is on floor. Max, I can somewhat read and get the gist or the the most of what's being said, but my Spanish is not that great. I mean, I was able to get around Spain just fine because I know enough, and I was able to, it's very American entitled from me for me or of me, but a lot of people just spoke English, and I tried not to assume it. But by the end of the week that I spent there, I was feeling a lot more comfortable in the little Spanish that I do know. Where was this? Where the gravity? Yeah, if not on floor and not ladder tile. I don't know why. Oh. No. Save that and let's check it out. So that's weird. I don't know exactly why. I mean, it's a quicker descent, which is fine. Fallen. Oh. Oh well. I mean, this is fine for my purposes. All right, I'm coming up on 3 hours here. I'm hungry for dinner, and I don't want to. I don't want to run more ads or get into another ad break. So I'm gonna find somebody to raid out to. I'm gonna try to be back tomorrow, but I need to prep for travel, so no guarantees there. Let's see, everybody with more people. Let's go to Wallaber. Wallaber is good people. Yeah, oh yeah, my arm says don't panic. Max, I'm going to Seattle on Thursday. So that's where I'll be heading. Wallaber. So we're gonna head over to Wallaber. Wallaber is good people. Really cool games. Hopefully his parking garage thing is finished and he's working on something new. Nope, still doing multiplayer. Right on. All right, unmute site.
Yeah. But it just plays all the sounds for like all the power up pickups and all the skidding sounds and all of the, you know. Okay, what happened
All right.
with these? Why don't
So
they
people on
just
YouTube,
play
thanks for
something
hanging out.
regularly?
I will see you